this is really kind of messed up, how it just fall on you real fast. So we're gonna get rid of this. It's kind of beat up. So we're gonna get a new one of these. We'll pull this and get the right size for it. All right, so coming into the bathroom, we're going to be changing the toilet seats. We're moving the cabinet over to here. I'm putting up a new light here. And then we're going to put up a set of towel hooks, robe hook, and a toilet paper holder. That's the old one. And then there are no hooks anywhere. And then we should do a little drywalling in here as well, where all these holes are in the wall. So we're going to be taking that out. Also, they'll put a shower curtain in, or shower rod for up here. And we're going to replace that stopper there with this. So, yeah, so that's going to be going in there like that. Yep, fits right in there. So that'll be coming up next on the next part of making Marvin great again. Alright, so we fixed the wall at the bottom level where we ran the wire. So that's all fixed now. Now we're getting ready to go up and do the top level. Okay, so bathroom is done. Got the toilet paper holder. We've got that so it doesn't shake anymore. Got a new lid, kind of doesn't fall. That. Okay, we got a new pop-up sink. Fills like that, drains. Okay, then we moved the mirror that was over here and moved it over to here, kind of set it up with the sink, and then I put the new lights up as well. So that's yeah. Okay. And we also kind of filled in the holes over here. And then turning around, of course, we have the tub, fixed all that up. I think I did that on another video, already fixed up that. And then over here we have a towel rack, kind of washcloth rack, towel rack, towel bar, however you want to look at it. So that's it. So everything in here is in pretty good shape now, as good as it's gonna get. All right, so there we go. This bathroom is ready to go, all set up. All right, so we fixed the wall at the bottom level where we ran the wire. So that's all fixed now. Now we're getting ready to go up and do the top level. Okay, so bathroom is done. Got the toilet paper holder. We've got that so it doesn't shake anymore. Got a new lid, kind of doesn't fall. That. Okay, we got a new pop-up sink. Fills like that, drains. Okay, then we moved the mirror that was over here and moved it over to here, kind of set it up with the sink, and then I put the new lights up as well. So that's yeah. Okay. And we also kind of filled in the holes over here. And then turning around, of course, we have the tub, fixed all that up. I think I did that on another video. Already fixed up that. And then over here we have a towel rack, kind of washcloth rack, towel rack, towel bar, however you want to look at it. So that's it. So everything in here is in pretty good shape now, as good as it's gonna get. All right, so there we go. This bathroom is ready to go, all set up. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom at 3006 Marvin. Just kind of show you what I did in the bathroom here. Everything's fixed in here now. In a previous video and invoice, I fixed all the shower prop, things that were broke on that got fixed. And then the new stuff is I installed these hook bar for towels and stuff. Got a toilet paper holder here. Got a new seat on here that doesn't slam. It's the slow kind that goes down easy. This toilet was a little shaky, so I tightened it up. Now it doesn't move anymore. We got a new sink, pop-up drain, like that. Okay. Moved the medicine cabinet over to be basically in line with the sink. It was over here, and then I installed a new light above it. I also installed a switch for it, since there's, as you can see, there's no power in here anywhere. No switches or no power is ran except right up there. To put a switch way over here or somewhere else, it would have been a lot of work to get it around all of that and get it way over here, and a lot of extra work. So the simple solution was just to replicate what was already here, and you got a pull switch, turns it on and off, nice and easy. I just added that in based on the fact it had the pull switch before, so we just kept it that way, but with additionally nicer lights than before. So that's that for that. All right, so the bathroom's in good shape and ready to go. All right, so we got all the blinds up. 1, 2, there we go. Put a closet hanger here. So there we go. That's for this closet. Alright, so dealing with the drywall. Once again, I did the bathroom, kind of patched up some of the holes that were in here, especially the ones that remained when I moved that. And then coming down where I did all repairs on the wall here, where I had to run that wiring. And you can see I did a patchwork, filled all the holes in where I had to cut to find the a path for the wiring. And as you can see, everything's patched, sanded, ready for priming and painting. So there we go. Looks pretty good, pretty smooth again. And that's that. So now in terms of painting, I don't know what color this is in this house. No idea what color this is. So yeah, but yeah, I think it's the same color everywhere, whatever color it is. So I don't know. These ceilings are really up here high. If I knew the color for the place, then we could just color match it real quick and that'd be it. But to have to do the whole thing and not know the color, that is a little bit of a trick. All right, so we got a railing that's coming off the wall, so I'm gonna try to repair that and put some anchors in there to hold it properly. It looks like it was never anchored in properly. We'll do that now. All right, so we put anchors in there, and we're now securing it down. There it goes. Going nice and secure to the wall now. Oh, there it is. Popped into that. Locked the anchor in. Oh, look at that. That's solid to the wall now. It ain't going nowhere. Yep, no more wobble now. So there you go. That railing is fixed now. This video real quick. All right, so we got all that cleared up. I'm gonna go show you the truck, how much that was. Oh. All right. All right, so as you can see, all that stuff was in there. It's a lot. It would have taken quite a long time to get that all out of there. I generated a lot of trash doing all that work, all this cardboard and bags and trash, and so yeah, that was a lot of stuff. As you can see, whole truckload. That would have took forever to get that out in the trash. So